Hello, my name is Amelia, and today we're walking through the Bonaparte AI ecosystem. Now, what is the AI economy? Well, let's think about it as an ecosystem that includes every business activity required to build, train, operate, distribute, and monetize AI. It's easy to conceptualize by using the five-layered cake framework, where energy is at the base, with chips, infrastructure, models, and then applications right up top. All the layers work together to create the modern AI economy. Now, why does this matter? For finance specifically, it's a map of where money's moving and where you're earning a durable return. It also reframes AI as industrial infrastructure, closer to power grids and railroads than to a single software product, which should change how you think about time horizons and capital intensity. Now, let's talk a little bit more about the five sectors. Energy is the constraint that sets the ceiling on everything above it. Chips turn power into computation, dominated by a handful of specialized players. Infrastructure are the data centers and networks. They're capital heavy since they're built now and plan to be monetized over years and years. Models, they're the trained systems that run right on top, and applications here are where AI finally meets a real customer and a real revenue line. Now, each layer makes money differently. Energy earns by supplying reliable power. Chipmakers monetize high margin silicon plus software that locks developers in. Infrastructure players spend heavily upfront, then recover it through cloud services and leasing, kind of like real estate more than software. Model providers earn on access, usage, and enterprise contracts. Applications sit at the top with software style margins. As a rough rule, the higher up the cake you go, the lighter the capital and the fatter the margin, but also the more crowded the competition. So countries are competing to have the best AI, which means they're trying to strategically allocate their investments across the five layers. The difference is that policy risks are real. Export controls, subsidies, and energy access move valuations directly and can change faster than a company's fundamentals do. Now, AI is reshaping wealth management through personalized advice, automating trading and risk modeling, and sharpening fraud detection and compliance. In banking, it streamlines operations and credit assessments. The AI behemoths are NVIDIA, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta. The high growth venture backed firms that are scaling on one or more layers are companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Perplexity, just to name a few. And if you're tracking deal flow, the most useful attribute to note is which layer a company actually sits in, because that tells you its economics before you open a single financial statement. Now, what does the future of AI look like? Well, informed speculation suggests that innovation could go towards AI agents, robotics, quantum, space, and biology. And these are useful to think about in the long term for future reference. The final tab answers some common questions and serves as a quick reference. Like, for example, what is the most profitable layer of the AI cake? All right, there is no single answer. Chip companies such as NVIDIA have earned exceptional margins due to scarcity. Infrastructure providers benefit from recurring cloud revenue. application companies often own the customer relationship. Profitability can migrate between layers as technology evolves. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.